Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to this enlightening lecture on foreign direct investment in the Indian defense sector, a topic that holds immense significance for our nation's security and economic growth. Today, we delve into the world of FDI in defense, exploring its purpose, benefits, and the role our government plays in fostering its growth. Let's begin by understanding what foreign direct investment in the Indian defense sector entails. FDI in defense refers to the investment made by foreign entities or companies in India's defense industry. It involves collaboration, joint ventures, or direct investment to enhance technological capabilities, manufacturing infrastructure, and research and development in the defense sector. The need for foreign direct investment in defense arises from several factors. Firstly, it enables India to leverage advanced technologies and expertise from global defense players, facilitating the modernization of our defense forces. Secondly, it promotes indigenous manufacturing capabilities, reducing our reliance on imports and strengthening our self-reliance in defense production. Thirdly, FDI in defense helps create jobs, boosts economic growth, and contributes to the overall development of the nation. The benefits of foreign direct investment in defense extend to various stakeholders. Firstly, it benefits our armed forces by equipping them with state-of-the-art technologies, enhancing their operational capabilities, and ensuring national security. Secondly, domestic defense companies gain access to cutting-edge technologies, fostering innovation and creating opportunities for collaboration. Thirdly, the Indian economy as a whole benefits from increased investments, job creation, and technology transfer. Our government plays a crucial role in facilitating and regulating foreign direct investment in the defense sector. It formulates policies and guidelines to attract investments, ensure national security interests are protected, and promote indigenous defense manufacturing. The government also provides a conducive environment through initiatives like Make in India and Defense Procurement Procedure, which encourage foreign companies to set up manufacturing units and research facilities in India. Significant steps have been taken to promote foreign direct investment in Indian defense. The government has raised the FDI cap in defense from 26% to 74%, allowing greater participation of foreign companies. The introduction of the strategic partnership model encourages collaboration between foreign and Indian firms in the manufacturing of major defense platforms. Additionally, initiatives like Technology Development Fund and Defense Innovation Fund support research and development activities. As we move forward, it is crucial to sustain the momentum and further enhance foreign direct investment in defense. To achieve this, we need to strengthen our defense procurement processes, streamline regulatory frameworks, and provide a transparent and predictable investment environment. We should focus on building robust partnerships with global defense players, fostering technology transfer, and nurturing domestic defense capabilities. In conclusion, foreign direct investment in the Indian defense sector holds immense potential for our nation's security and economic growth. By embracing global collaborations, harnessing advanced technologies, and promoting indigenous manufacturing, we can strengthen our defense forces and boost our economy. Let us continue to foster an environment that attracts investments, nurtures innovation, and reinforces our self-reliance in defense production. Thank you for joining me on this enlightening journey. Together, let us strive for a robust defense sector that not only ensures our nation's security but also propels us towards becoming a global leader in defense manufacturing.